Why does Venus rotate in the opposite direction? Venus is almost as large as Earth, but it rotates around the Sun much slower, once every 243 days, and in the opposite direction. The most likely explanation is that Venus was struck by one of the large rocks in the chaos of the early solar system over 4.5 billion years ago. Astronomers believe that Earth experienced a similar fate, resulting in the formation of the Moon from the debris after the collision. Last year, two astronomers from the California Institute of Technology proposed an explanation that Venus likely had a natural satellite, but it was lost after a subsequent collision that changed the direction of its rotation. The change in the planet's gravitational field caused the Moon to fall and merge with Venus. Venus, the hottest planet in our solar system, owes its extreme heat to several factors. Firstly, its dense atmosphere, approximately 92 times thicker than Earth's, primarily consists of carbon dioxide, which is the main cause of the greenhouse effect. Additionally, Venus is characterized by retrograde rotation, meaning it rotates in the opposite direction to most other planets in the solar system. It has a day length of about 243 Earth days, significantly longer than its year. Furthermore, Venus is known for its volcanic activity, with a large number of volcanoes on its surface. Besides high temperatures, Venus experiences extreme weather conditions, such as violent winds reaching speeds of up to 360 kilometers per hour in its upper atmosphere. The Soviet Venus program successfully conducted several missions to the surface of Venus during the 1970s and 1980s, providing valuable data about the environment of this planet.
If you liked the video, like it and subscribe to the channel to help it grow and spread these smart informations.